Good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. Today is 11th January 2021, Monday, and we are starting with our current affairs session over here. The slide number one says Indian economy to rebound with 8.9% growth in fiscal 2022. Okay, IHS market. Okay, now what is the physical here? Those who don't know, I want to tell you that this word is an adjective and it means something which is connected with the government or public money, especially taxes. Okay, so let's see ahead. According to HIS Market, Indian economy is likely to rebound with 8.9% growth in the financial year beginning April 21. The National Statistical Organization predict that the economy would contract 7.7% in the current financial year, and economy suffered a severe contraction in 2022. Okay, and the CEO of HIC Market is Lance Hugel, and headquarters is located in London, UK. Okay, next slide is from our neighboring country, Pakistan. Pakistan successfully test fires indigenously developed weapons rocket system. Like, Pakistan conducted the test flight of an indigenously developed guided multi-launch rocket system capable of delivering conventional warheads with a range of 140 kilometer. The weapon system can give capability of precise target engagement deep in enemy territory. Okay, Pakistan President is Arif Alvi and PM is Imran Khan. Next news is from our US. Indian American Raj Iyer becomes US Army's first CIO. Indian American Dr. Raj Iyer became first Chief Information Officer of the US Army after the Pentagon created the position in July 20. Equivalent in rank to a three-star general, he will supervise an annual budget of $16 billion for the US Army's IT operations. Okay, our next slide says Joe Biden appoints Indian American Sumona Guha as a senior director of South Asia. Biden Harris transition team announced the appointment of Indian American Suman Guha, a former foreign service officer, to the role of senior director for South Asia at the National Security Council. She will succeed Trump administration's Lisa Curtis. Okay, and Joe Biden will be the 46th president of the United States. Okay, our next news is coming from Japan. It says Japan commits 2,113 crore support for COVID relief efforts. Japan has committed official development assistance (ODA) loan of an amount of JPY 30 billion. Okay, that is about 2,113 crore to support India's efforts to provide social assistance to the poor and vulnerable households severely impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay. Okay, next news is coming from Kolkata. It says West Bengal CM inaugurates 26th Kolkata International Film Festival. West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee inaugurated the 26th Kolkata International Film Festival. In short, it is called KIFF. The inaugural ceremony was virtually attended by Bollywood superstar and West Bengal's brand ambassador Shah Rukh Khan from Mumbai. Okay, so now here it is making one more question, that who is the brand ambassador of West Bengal? So answer should be Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, and it is the 26th edition of KIFF. Okay, that is Kolkata International Festival. Next news is from government clears the 8 hydropower projects on Indus in Ladakh. The government has cleared 8 hydropower projects of 144 megawatt on the Indus River and its tributaries in Ladakh. The projects have been cleared by the Central Water Commission as well as Indus Commissioner after a separate UT of Ladakh was announced. These projects to come up in Kargil and Leh district of Ladakh. Okay, next news is from our RBI officer R. Girdharan. Pens means right. Okay, writes a novel right under our nose. Okay, what's the name of the novel? That is Right Under Our Nose. A general manager at RBI, Girdharan's job influenced his debut book Right Under Our Nose. It presents a murderer who eliminates means to kill somebody. Okay, especially an enemy or an opponent. Okay, so who eliminate the scientist right under the nose of the police. The author's interactions with a lot of people inspired the writing. Okay, and he is 25th governor of RBI. That is Shaktikant Das is the 25th governor. Okay, next news is coming from Australia. It says the Clary Polacek becomes first female match official in men's test match. Australia's Clary Polsack became the first female match official to officiate a men's test match when she took up the fourth umpire's role in the third test between Australia and India. She was also the first woman on field umpire in the men's ODI match. Okay, our next slide is coming from Kerala. It says the Congress leader KK Ramchandran Master passes away. Popularly known as Ramchandran Master, the Congress leader had represented the party as an MLA 6 times, 3 times from Kalipeta and thrice from Sultan Bhatri Assembly constituency. He was secretary of Kazaikot District Congress Committee, and he was also Minister of Food and Civil Supplies in the A.K. Antony Ministry. Okay, so that's all. This was the last slide of the day. Today we have the less number of slides here for our current GK. So less the number of event, less the number of slides. Okay, guys. Anyway, prepare this for your exam. All right. All the best and good luck ahead.